Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you craft enthusiasts out there. The HTVRONT Heat Transfer Vinyl Bundle. This is not just your average heat transfer vinyl. It's a bundle that comes with a whopping 80 sheets of 12x10 iron-on vinyl for your t-shirt projects. But wait, there's more. What sets this apart is the incredible variety of colors you get. It includes 39 vivid colors, including 30 popular matte shades, 5 dazzling glitter options, and 5 mesmerizing holographic colors. You won't run out of choices for your creative projects. But that's not all. HTVRONT goes the extra mile by including 3 Teflon sheets and a handy weeding tweezer in the bundle. These accessories make your vinyl crafting experience even more enjoyable and precise. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The POO Heat Transfer Vinyl in this bundle is designed for easy cutting, weeding, and transferring. Its thin and smooth texture makes it a breeze to work with, ensuring you get clean and precise designs every time. When it comes to the application, this vinyl is sensitive to temperature and pressure, which means you can easily heat transfer it onto any t-shirt or fabric. Plus, it's a cold peel vinyl, so the process is hassle-free. But what about durability? Well, HTVRONT vinyl is known for its great stickiness. It adheres seamlessly to the fabric and holds up well even after multiple washing cycles. Your designs will keep their vibrant colors, ensuring long-lasting quality. The possibilities are endless with this bundle. You can personalize t-shirts, bags, sportswear, aprons, hats, pillows, and more. Express your creativity and stand out from the crowd with your unique designs. And here's a bonus. HTVRONT Heat Transfer Vinyl Bundle makes for a fantastic gift choice. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or anniversary, your friends and family will love and cherish personalized gifts created with this vinyl. In summary, the HTVRONT Heat Transfer Vinyl Bundle is the best in the market for all your crafting needs. With its stunning variety of colors, ease of use, and excellent durability, it's a must-have for every DIY enthusiast. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. And that's a wrap for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.